Okay, so today we looked at division of fractions, well, division in whole um, as a topic, but whether the answer is greater than 1, equal to 1, or less than 1 in different situations. And so away we go. Here it has me sort these less than 1, equal to 1, greater than 1. Well, 40, if you had 40 of something divided by 40,000, that's going to be way less than 1. Whereas 4,123 divided by 40 is greater than 1. 1/4 divided by 1/4 is equal to 1. 40 divided by 39 is going to be just a little bit greater than 1. 40 divided by 1/2 is over here, and 1/4 divided by 40 is going to be a little itty bitty number because you've got a little teeny thing and you're dividing it by a even smaller number. I thought there were more of these in the workbook. There were 6 total. There are 6. So here we go. It looks different here than it does in the workbook. Next one, it says pick one of those, any one of those expressions, and show how to do this. And so, I mean, 1/4 divided by 1/4 is probably going to be the easiest, but let me do them all. So 40 divided by 40,000 is just 0.001. It's 1,000th, because the 40 and the 40 cancel out, and you get 1 for every 1 divided by 1,000 is 1/1,000th. 40 divided by a half means you've got 40 of something and you're cutting each one in half. So 40 divided by 1/2 equals 80. So if you had 40 cookies, they're really big, so you cut each one in half, you end up with 80 parts of a cookie. 40 divided by 39, don't even do this with your calculator. That's going to be really ugly because it ends up being 1 and 1/39th, because you have 39 39s and then 1 extra. 40,000, if I divide 40,123 divided by 40, I get 1,003, and then I would have 3/40ths left over. Much bigger than 1. 1/4 divided by 40 is, you've got a small number anyways, and you're cutting it into 40 pieces. You end up with 1/160. And then lastly, 1/4 divided by 1/4 is just 1. So any one of those, 0.001, 1,000th. Submit. Here we go. Here you get to pick any numbers you want. And so to make something equal to 1, the numbers have to match. So this has to be 32. To make it less than 1, it has to be less than 32. So 31 would work, but 29, 28, whatever also works. And over here, anything bigger than 32, so 33 would work. Teacher writes 140 divided by 10 equals 14. Armar says the tickets are $14 each. Who's correct? This is going to be weird. I don't know that there's a correct answer because both could be correct. It could be $140 divided by 10 students, and that equals $14 each. But it could be $140 divided by $10 each ticket equals 14 students. And so both of them could be correct. Depends on the units. That's why it's important that you label things. What fraction is A? 1/4. What fraction is B? There's 3 out of 8. And lastly, there's 4 out of 10, which also is 2/5, but that should be everything. Oh, how did I miss number 1? Oh, I know. I didn't link them together. I'm supposed to drop that one in there and drop that one. There we go. I didn't get it wrong. It was just that I didn't glue them together the right way. There we go. Okay. And so we're off to a good start on chapter 4 or unit 4, and I'll see you in the next video.